Gonna teach you guys how to make eggs in a way that you have never seen before, and you're gonna be addicted to this recipe. We'll use 300 grams of tomato sauce in a frying pan, this way as you can see on the video, okay? And in the medium heat, we are going to start adding the eggs. The whole egg, okay guys? Very simple. Just put inside of the frying pan. I added 5 eggs. I covered it, and when it's already cooked, we are going to add a lot of cheese. Now in this process, the idea is to put the heat low, alright? Because it may burn this recipe. I sprinkled a little bit of oregano on top of it, and it's done, guys. A delicious cooked egg with tomato sauce and mozzarella. Guys, it looks simple, but it's amazing. For your lunch that you have to make it very fast, or a dinner that you want to make something different and tasty, make it this recipe that it's done in just a few minutes. You won't, use a lot of pans, just a frying pan. And if you want to use more ingredients like corn, peas, broccoli, put in and turban this recipe just like this. It's already wonderful, but you can also put a layer of ham, chicken as well. It's gonna be very delicious. It's super good. Make this recipe at your house, and if you make it differently and you want to share it with us, just let it down here. Go telling me here what city you're watching this recipe from, so I can send you that special hug on the next video, okay? After I made eggs like this, I don't want to know about any other way. You can trust this process and make this recipe that I'm pretty sure that you and all of your family are gonna be like admirable. Seriously guys, it's so good. And if you liked it, I believe that if you're watching until here, it's because you liked it, even though it's a little bit, but you liked it. So don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10, because I'm crazy to know your opinion about it. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe, guys. And if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super important for us, and it helps us to bring more recipes like this. I'm gonna leave you guys right now with this image with water in your mouth, because this recipe deserves a 10. Kisses, and see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.